you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, it has been such a great day, and now we're about to get ready to take the bike over to the shop. I just wanted everybody to know that if you're new to this channel, we just got in a new build, so let's go over it. Let's see what she look like, and then we're gonna be jumping in the truck and getting out of here so we can head to the shop. And then we'll talk more once we get in the ride. Alright you guys, we got the bike in the back, and now we're headed over to All Sports to go ahead and drop off the bike so it can get checked. If you're new to the channel, guys, we just picked up a 2012 Yamaha R1 that had 3,000 miles on it, 3,700 miles. And so guys, we got big plans for this thing, including, which I just decided the other night, that we're gonna change out the whole frame. So we're gonna put a brand new frame on it, so it will no longer have a salvage title. So guys, just stay tuned. Once we get it out the shop, we're gonna go ahead and start switching parts over immediately. I'm super excited for this build. This is actually a steal of a deal. I'm still waiting for somebody to get the exact number that I spent on this bike. And like I told you, I'm gonna send you a shirt, and I'm gonna send you a little special gift in there as well. So guys, get in the comments, let me know what you think I spent on this bike. And that's pretty much it.
And it has to be down to the number.
Yeah, it needs to be down to the number, yes.
Exact number.
So, guys, get in the comments and let me know what you think, and what do you think we should do on this bike. It's a Raven Edition bike, so I think I want to keep this paint scheme and everything the same. There's still a little touch-up that needs to be done on the fairings, and I also have to order a new tail section that was cracked. I know a lot of people are probably wondering why I'm taking it to the shop right now, and that's a simple fact, because I have intentions on reselling this bike. So I want to make sure that I'm doing right by people. I want to be able to sleep at night and have peace when I'm sleeping, that I know that the person, whoever receives this bike, is going to be in good working condition. And guys, that we here at These Nuts and Bolts only do top quality work. We're not cutting any corners, none whatsoever. That's not tolerated here.
Funny name.
Funny name, serious work. And stay tuned to the channel. Also hit your post notifications. If you haven't done so already, follow me on Instagram at These_Nuts and Bolts. So I'll be waiting for you there.
This build is going to be epic.
Yes. It's going to be one of my favorite builds.
It's going to be great. We knew right away this is going to be a good one.
Wait, guys, this is a public service announcement. We have a winner. We had one person out of a lot of people that was around the number but didn't guess the right one. This is the guy who won. Guys, big shout out to Roddy. Roddy, if you're watching this, man, hey, congratulations. I'm going to be getting in contact with you and send your shirt over and a $25 gift card. Hey, guys, this is not over. We're going to keep doing giveaways. So guys, just stay tuned to the channel. You know, there's more things to come. But Roddy, everybody, go check out Roddy's channel. Let's get back to the video. Basically about the bike, basically I rebuild motorcycles and, you know, turn around and sell them. Okay. So of course I want to make sure that they're right, and you know, so I can sleep at night when it's sold. So I just bought one. It had been hit in the front. It has a salvage title, whatever. And he said that it's right. I just want to get it checked first before I start going through and putting parts and everything back on.
Okay. As far as the running condition, or
running condition, you know, just kind of like just a check.
But as far as the salvage thing, like, I mean, was it bit forks, bit frame?
Well, so
that
got
one?
hit in the front end, so I built the forks, and he got a new race shocks, new race suspension all in the front. I mean, everything is put together nicely, but I just want to make sure that everything is kosher.
Well, this is actually our service manager.
I'm back again.
Back again.
All right, so you remember I was saying R1rebuild bike. So the other one that got fixed, sold it, just got another one. This one had got hit in the front. It's already been rebuilt, but I just want to drop it off and get it checked. I just want to make sure that whoever buys the bike is going to be in good working orders. And
how'd that other one do?
good. That was it. That was
Get that little bit of fuel leak fixed on them.
I fixed that one. You'll need another gasket.
We'll ride it. How big a hurry are you in? It's probably gonna be next week because like I said, the force coming up. We'll lose a couple days there.
Okay.
And
that's all right. I got time because I'm gonna have to bring it back because I'm switching out the frame. So I will be bringing it back.
Okay.
So let's check it over again.
all right, sounds good. Talk to you in a couple days. What's the YouTube channel?
These nuts and bolts.
These nuts and bolts. Okay.
Capital D, apostrophe S.
Been doing it for a while.
5 months now? 6 months now?
It's
5 months. 5 months now.
That's cool.
Got like 20 something.
There you go. Gotta start somewhere.
Feel free to check us out.
I will. Definitely. I'm subscribed to a whole bunch of people.
Oh, great! Okay, so you're not the only one.
No, I watch a lot of you. That's what I do when I get home.
That's what I do. I don't even watch it. I don't watch YouTube.
Well, I watch stuff I want to watch on YouTube.
Right.
You know, you watch stuff on TV, you have to watch other, you have to search for stuff.
Right,
on
right,
YouTube,
right.
I can watch something usually knowledgeable.
Yeah, exactly.
Definitely. Well, you guys are going to be in the YouTube channel,
We'll be
if that's
doing a
okay
lot.
with you.
That's fine.
And what's your name?
My name's Ben.
Ben?
Yep.
Okay, I'm Lauren.
Nice to meet
And
you.
it's my husband, Carlos.
Well, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah,
I'll
we'll see you.
subscribe.
Oh, all right. Yep.
All right, guys, if you're in Decatur, Alabama, stop by and see my guys here at All Sports Power Sports. They really will take care of you. All right, guys, so the bike is here at All Sports Power Sports. So now he's gonna do a full check on it, make sure everything is up to date, everything is fine on the bike, because you know, just like I know, I would love to sleep at night, and I wanna make sure that I'm doing right by anybody who is gonna ride this bike. So that included me. So just know that if you're gonna do anything to two wheels, again, guys, make sure you're getting a second opinion, make sure you're getting it checked out, because it's very important that you are not risking your life, especially on two wheels. Now the plan of action is, we already placed an order in for the tail. We just placed an order for a new frame. So bike is gonna take a few days because the 4th of July is coming here, or it's coming. Not coming here, but it's coming soon, you know. It's coming like in the next day or two. But anyway, like always, hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.